Hello and welcome again. If you want to learn PySpark and you do not have a powerful system, then this video is exactly for you. I will show you how you can start learning PySpark without access to any powerful system. So keep watching. First, open a Google Colab in Google Drive. If you do not know how to work on a Google Drive, I got you covered. I have a video for you where I have shown how to start working with Google Colab. I'll put the link in the description. So let's start. In this notebook, we will go through a series of tasks that we need to perform to run PySpark in Google environment. As you know, Google Colab is an online notebook-like coding environment that is well suited for machine learning and data analysis. It comes equipped with many machine learning libraries and offer even free GPU usage. It is mainly used by data scientists and ML engineers. We will first install OpenJDK or Java Development Kit. Apache Spark is written in Scala, which run on JVM or Java Virtual Machine. OpenJDK provides an open source implementation of JVM, ensuring compatibility and support for running Spark. In the backend of Google Colab, we have a Linux system, so we will use some Linux commands for installations of OpenJDK. First, we will write a command called sudo apt update, which will update the package list from the repository to ensure that the latest information about the available packages can be retrieved. Next, we will install OpenJDK version 8. So the second command will install the headless version of OpenJDK 8 or the Java Development Kit quietly. Thus we wrote -QQ without user interaction, surpassing the most of the output by redirecting to /dev/null. The headless version excludes graphical component, making it suitable for server environment or automated task. So this is installations is completed now. Next, we will install Spark 3.5.3 version that is available in Apache Spark official website. So we will write wget-q. I have copied the link or the URL. This code block uses the wget command to download the file from the specified URL. The -q flag enables quiet mode, suppressing most output to the terminal. Specifically, it retrieves the Apache Spark version 3.5.3 binary package for Hadoop 3 and compress in a .tgz archive from the provided Apache mirror URL. Next, we need to unpack the downloaded Spark file. For that, we will use a tar command. So press run. So this code block extract the content from the Spark -3.5.3 bin Hadoop 3. The excepts option specify that the archive should be extracted, thus X, and archive file, that's F. This command unpacks the Spark binary distribution into current working directory, making it files and directory accessible for use. It is commonly used when setting up Apache Spark for data processing task. Since we have already downloaded and installed the Spark system, next we need to define two variables, one for Java and another for Spark. First, we need to import OS library. The Java home environment variable points to the Java installation directory on the machine and is essential for Spark. And the Spark home environment variable points to the Apache Spark installation directory. It is used by Spark to localize its own component and library. Further, we need to install 3 Python libraries. First one is PySpark. The PySpark library is used to make it easier to configure and launch Apache Spark in local environment, such as on this development machine. We will also need to install PySpark 4J or Python for Java and also the updated version of PySpark. We will use the pip command to install this file and -q for quiet. And you will use for the updated version for PySpark. Next, we need to import PySpark library, which is a utility for simplifying the process of setting up PySpark in this environment like Jupyter Notebook. So let me wait. Once this installation is complete, I will import PySpark, and also I need to initialize it. So PySpark.init method, we need to initialize the PySpark library with this command. Initialize PySpark will add the Apache Spark installation directory to Python path and setting the necessary environment variable. This ensures that PySpark module can be imported and PySpark related command can be run without any manual configurations of the path. So next we need to import PySpark. PySpark is imported successfully. We will create a Spark session, which is the entry point for the Spark program. I will make a separate video to explain Spark context and Spark session. For the time being, follow along with me. So we need to import Spark session from PySpark.SQL library. Then we need to initialize the Spark session. Perfect. Our Spark session is up and running successfully. Now we will create a small Spark data frame to see our PySpark in live action. First, we will need to import a data frame method from spark.sql. Then we will define some data. I already write down some data for you. And next we will define the column names. I also write down those column names here. So basically what we are doing, we are creating 3 columns called ID, name and department, and those column has following values. For ID we have 4 values, 1 2 3 4. For the name we have Neil, Donald, John and Mary, and then for the department we have marketing, admin, IT and HR. Next we will create a data frame with Spark create data frame method. So name of the data frame, suppose df. So first we need to provide the data and then we need to provide the columns. And to see the records we need to use to show method. So if we say df.show, perfect, we have created the data frame. Now you are ready to write your PySpark code even when you do not have access to any powerful system. So start coding now. I will upload this notebook in the GitHub for your future reference. What do you think? Let me know in the comment sections below. I love hearing from you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who might benefit. See you soon. Subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you.